this is why you shouldn't take off the caps too much of your fidget spinner.
It ain't my fault.
Hey guys, today I'm back with my fidget spinner and it feels like a funny noise like mine does. I'm going to help you fix it. It only happens if you take off the caps too much. First, you want to get a cotton bud that you use to clean your ears. And first, you'll use it to clean your bearings of your fidget spinner. Take the caps off first. So you use the cotton bud to clean it like that, so you put it in the bearings. So guys, you want to put it like that to clean the bearings inside. So you want to clean it well. It's a bit dirty, see? So now you want to flip it over and do the same thing. There, it's all cleaned. So then you want to put the cotton bud in the bin. So now you want to blow in the bearings to get all the dust out. Other side. Okay, all the dust is out. So then you want to close the caps. Wait a minute, or more than a minute. I don't know. Okay, so then you want to close the caps. And it's nice.
Hey, that's pretty good.
Now. It's good now. So the last step to take out the scratchy noise is to spin it a lot. Then it will stop the scratchy noise. It will slowly stop. So yeah, that's it for today's video. Hope you liked it. Remember to like and subscribe and comment. So yeah, bye.